the operation process of intelligent high-pressure washing. Operation process. First, make sure the water source is well connected. Second, turn on the water source switch in the workshop. Third, insert the blue flushing nozzle. Open the ball valve switch at the middle of the coil pipe. Confirm the water supply is connected. Fourth, open the bottom chemical box and put in cleaning agent and disinfectant. Insert the corresponding liquids. Fifth, turn on the pressure control. Sixth, for the first time or long-term non-use or water outage, open the exhaust valve counterclockwise to discharge the air in the pump until water flows out. No bubbles. Close the exhaust valve clockwise. The 5-step cleaning method. The first step is high-pressure flushing. Adjust the multifunction valve to the rinse position. Take out the blue flushing nozzle. Quickly plug the hose terminal into the blue flushing nozzle. Open the ball valve switch at the hose terminal. Pre-wash the equipment and environment with high-pressure water. Close the ball valve switch at the hose terminal. Return the blue flushing nozzle. The second step is foam spraying. Turn on the air source. Adjust the multifunction valve to the foam position. Take out the white foam nozzle. Quickly connect the white foam nozzle to the hose. Open the ball valve switch at the hose terminal. Foam is sprayed from top to bottom, and evenly spray it on the surface of the equipment. Close the ball valve switch. After the foam is sprayed, the foam covers the equipment surface. It needs to stand for 3 to 5 minutes until the foam and the dirt on the equipment surface fully mix. Prepare to high-pressure wash the equipment surface. Return the white foam nozzle. Turn off the air source in the workshop. The third step is high-pressure. Adjust the multifunction valve to the rinse position. Take out the blue extension rod. Quickly connect the blue extension rod to the hose. Open the ball valve switch at the middle of the hose. High-pressure flushing. From top to bottom, rinse the foam on the surface of the equipment until the pH value is neutral. Flush the foam on the ground to the drain. Close the ball valve switch at the hose end. Return the blue extension rod. The fourth step is to spray and disinfect. Adjust the multifunction valve to the disinfection. Take out the green disinfection extension rod. Quickly connect the green extension rod to the hose. Open the ball valve switch at the hose terminal. Spray disinfectant to the surface of the equipment. Spray evenly from top to bottom. After spraying, let it stand for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the disinfectant fully play its role in sterilization. Close the ball valve switch at the hose terminal. Return the green disinfection extension rod. The fifth step is high-pressure flushing. Adjust the multifunction valve to the rinse position. Take out the blue flushing nozzle. Quickly connect the blue flushing nozzle to the hose. Open the ball valve switch at the middle of the hose. High pressure from top to bottom. Flush to the surface of the environmental liquid to neutral pH value. Finish the work. After use, turn off the ball valve switch at the hose terminal. Return the blue flushing nozzle to its original position. Click the stop button on the screen. After the equipment stops working, disconnect the power first, then turn off the water. Finally, open the ball valve at the end of the hose to release pressure. After pressure relief, close the ball valve switch. Roll up the hose. For next